Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your password on eBay account. So first we're going to go to the eBay app. As I told you, guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next we're going to click on My eBay. Then here we're going to scroll downwards and click on the Settings button. Then we're going to click on Sign in and Security. As you can see, there's the Change Password option. You're going to click on it. So first you need to complete our account information. So you guys need to insert your country and your street address, as well as your phone number. Then once you're done, you're going to click on Continue. So to reset the password, you guys are going to choose either email or text. I chose email. So they're going to send you a security code via your email. So you're going to insert that. Then now you guys can enter your new password. They have requirements for the password. Make sure you abide to it. Then after that, you're going to click on Confirm. So as you can see, our password has been reset. So this is how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.